Hello everyone, this is Amber from Racing Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. It has a top tray and a bottom tray, and it is produced by wet pressing process and made from sugarcane paper material. We use all biodegradable materials, which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. The color of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material. Because our product is zero pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's take a look at the paper tray. As you can see, one side has test mixture and the other side is smoother. We design each product from samples, so the goods fit perfectly. On the paper tray, we can customize any logo for you. If you are interested in these products and you have required, just feel free to contact us. We are offering free design service and free sampling. Bye bye.